everyone, so today we are going to talk about my top 5 favorite lipsticks. So the number one is from MC Beauty, which is very nice and it is butter soft smooth. It doesn't dry your lips and it has vitamin E oil and many good properties. This one is very good for our lips too. Like I have got them in two shades and they are in the shade Vamp and Nude Fever. Both are my favorite, and one is customized and one is signature. So the Nude Fever shade is their signature lipstick shade and the Vamp is their customized shade, sorry. And I'm showing you, this is in the nude shade and I'm just loving it. This one is Nude Fever from MC Beauty. Second one I'm showing you, oops, and this is in the shade Vamp, and they are priced $11.50 each. So my second favorite is from Masaba. It's by Nykaa. I'm showing you the shade. It's also in a nude shade. Sorry, I have used it so many times. As you can see, it's Buzzkill, and it was around rupees 400 something. I don't remember, but it's a very nice shade and it's also good for dry lips because it's very smooth, and it is also having very good properties. It doesn't make your lips dry. Try this one too. So now I'm going to show you my top third brand of lipstick, that is Kiro. So it's in the shade, let me show you, it's in the shade, wait, Scarlet Poppy 03. So you guys can see it's very comfortable to apply. It comes with a, you can see it's a liquid lipstick, and liquid ones are my most favorite as it smells really good, and it also has vitamin E oil, I guess. Yes, it has vitamin E oil and apricot oil, which is very good for our lips, but I don't think it's that much comfortable as the MC and Masaba by Nykaa, but it also very good for our dry lips because I'm having problem with my lips. They become very dry, so this one is also very good. And I'm showing you my fourth favorite, and my fourth favorite is from Lakme Lakme Forever Matte. Like they are very long lasting and they are quite affordable, so I love them. And yes, that Kiro Beauty one was worth rupees 750 something like that. I don't remember the actual price, and they cost 225 each. Lakme Forever Matte, let me show you, it's 295. So they are also in the liquid form. I'm showing you their color, like it's in the shade Coral Sense 28, and this one is Nude Hue shade number 27, and they both are so pretty shades for fair skin tone. Like I cannot tell you. I am going to show you all the swatches of my favorite top 5 lipstick in the end. So my last and fifth one is from the Color Essence. Like as you all know, it's a very famous brand, and it's in the shade, let me show you why, yeah, HP6 Seduction. Like it says Seduction, it is in hot red color. Like it's very beautiful shade, and it's priced rupees 450. Like it is priced 4 rupees with price at the rate 450. The one problem with this one is it's not smudge proof, so you have to be very careful. But whenever I apply this lip shade, I just apply a tissue on my lips and I then apply some translucent powder, and it becomes matte, and then it is very good for my lips too. And they say that this will long last for 12 hours, but you have to reapply them. But it's a very nice and pretty shade, so I cannot say anything bad about it because it's one of my favorite shade. So if you are fair skin tone and medium skin tone and dark skin tone, doesn't matter which skin tone you belong to, these lipstick will definitely work out for you. Like I'm showing you, and yes, this is a lip balm. Don't forget to apply lip balm before you apply lipstick, because if you are having dry lips your lipsticks will feel very dry. So make sure you apply lip balm before applying your lipstick. And please do comment which one is your favorite lipstick. And this lip balm is also very good. It contains, it's a vegan, first of all it's a vegan, it's an Indian brand, and you can also customize your lip shades with MC Beauty. And it has so many good products in it. You can see it's all mentioned on the screen, you can read it by yourself, like, and it is just priced for rupees 450, and it has very good qualities. The one thing which I don't like about the balm, about this balm, is their scent. I ordered a wrong lip balm because I don't like strawberry scent, and I ordered it and it has a very strong fragrance of strawberries. So next time I will be ordering a mint or a rose one. They are having lip balms in 4 to 5 cents, as I think. So there are 4 shades: vanilla, rose, strawberry, and there was one mint, peppermint. So I will be surely ordering peppermint or vanilla one because I don't like strawberry smell. So do comment your favorite lipsticks, and till then, bye bye friends. Hope you have a good day ahead, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Yes, and do follow us on Instagram. Yes, sorry, I will be sharing a short video of all the lipstick swatches. So please watch that too, because currently we are having very less views on our short videos. So please support there also. Bye friends.